Previously on Sasha.
Oh, my Lord Jesus. And this is coming off the table. Here's a glass. Why would they do this? Who said, yeah, let's just make tables with glass and sell it to people in a circle. And then we're not even going and fuse them together. We're just going and like what? I nearly knocked this over. But anyway, I am in so much pain. I'm not complaining, but I am just decompressing and trying to tell all you about my day. God, I can't even think straight. I just had a long, I wouldn't even say a long day, you know. It's just, I'm in pain. My period started 2 days ago and it is like excruciating. Like for real, for real. And I feel like we had buy on board today. So buy on board is pretty much like you could get a cheese plate, you could get a tostitos with salsa. The cheese plate comes with, of course, cheese, crackers, grapes. Then you could get like beef jerky. And then of course we have, you know, biscoff and pretzels and everything. But and then we had some fruits. Yeah, we had a couple of buy on boards on the plane coming back from Costa Rica this morning. And then our gate switch, that's why I wasn't able to film early this morning, because our gate switched. So we were sitting at gate 10, but then they were like, no, it's gate 19. But the gate agent ran from gate 19 to gate 10 to tell us that, because our work phones did not update us with that. Now granted, we are out of the country, so maybe that was because maybe there was a delay in the connection of us getting the alert. But our work phones are designed to update us even when we're out the country, because yeah, that's how they are designed. So me, you know what happened with that. I'm gonna go to the pool. I wish they had a hot tub in Miami, so I didn't expect them to, but I wanna go to the pool because I wanna soak my leg and just put my leg in an environment where it doesn't have to be held on by gravity for a while. And I feel like my leg might ease up. But back to work. So tomorrow we have 2 legs. A leg is a flight. So today I have 1 leg, I have 1 flight. Yesterday I had 2 legs, which is 2 flights. We went from JFK, Miami, Costa Rica. Today we went from Costa Rica, Miami. So praise the Lord, we have 1 flight, so I could rest my leg. Tomorrow we have 3 legs. I don't know where we go to SDQ. Whatever airport code. Whoever can tell me what SDQ airport code is down in the comments. I can't think of off the top of my head. SDQ, something, and then back to LaGuardia. I can't wait to get back to New York tomorrow. It's like I'm not liking being in certain places for too long. That was so in depth. I just said that. But I'm noticing like if I'm in New York for like more than consecutive days, like say I'm in New York for more than 8 days straight, I start feeling like, okay, I need to get out of New York. Or if I'm in Virginia for like more than 8 days straight, I'm like, okay, I need to change the scene, I need to go somewhere. I don't know if this flight attendant job is like breeding a spoiledness in me in terms of like location. Like my attention span for being in different locations is withering down. I would like to temper that and mitigate that before that gets out of control, because I don't want to be so out of discipline that I need to go here, I need to go there, no, I just need to be happy by my dance. So that's all I need to do. I'm gonna get out of these clothes because yeah.
This is just me putting up my hair before I go and take a shower. Yes, I noticed I needed to shave. Well, I actually don't shave. I nail underneath my arms. I haven't shaved since I was a teenager. I don't know, shaving that just does not work out for me at all. It always grows back in a difficult way. But before I take showers, I always wrap my hair up, trying to protect my ends. I just plaited my hair a couple of days ago, so I did not want to mess anything up. So before I get into the shower, I now plait my hair a couple of days ago. No, I plait my hair 2 days ago. And my parts are looking too crispy for me to have in that bathroom, and it's mess up my nice part. So no sir, no sir. So I always just put a bonnet on. And I will see you guys when I get out. Ooh. Ooh. Excuse me, I need to stop doing that. I've been trying to work on like, excuse me, trying to be a lady. Yeah. That was like the best shower I ever had in a very long time. I don't think my hair got wet. Oh my neck. Is it just me, or am I the only person who carries tension like right here? Like in between the shoulder blades, but the meat right up in here. I'm gonna go down to the pool. I remember saying that. I don't like the lighting. I feel like all these rooms I've had, the lighting could be better. I don't know. And then now it just looks like I'm behind a backdrop. I think I'm just gonna chill out here and just lie down, relax. I think I'm gonna watch a movie. I think I'm gonna take this time to relax. My feet still hurt. The shower kind of hurt, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go in the pool. I think I'm just gonna lay down and relax. And I don't understand why my body is so tired. Like, I started to run not too long ago, so I think that's what it was. But I don't understand what is wrong with me. Like, you know when you want to go to the doctor and you're trying to explain to the doctor like what is going on, they're like, oh well, probably it's this or it's probably that. Like, no doc, like it's none of them textbook, it's nothing in the encyclopedia or the thesaurus. I know my body and I know something is wrong. That's how I be feeling sometimes. If anything pops up, I will let you guys know and I will inform you guys. I think I'm going to have some tostitos and salsa. I think I want some of that action going on. And I don't know, I'm just gonna have you guys so far up. This tripod is working my nerves, okay? I said I was gonna link it down below. But me here know the bottom of the tripod, it doesn't turn, it doesn't rotate. So if you're trying to like stick it in something, like stick it in a crevice or something, it's not going to go in at all. I don't know, I just came in the bathroom. The bathroom always has the best lighting and the best acoustics because the sound just bounces off. I don't know what it is about bathrooms. You ever been on the phone with somebody and you're like, are you in the bathroom? How do you know that? You could hear the reverb in the background. So yeah. None of y'all asked me for none of that information, but I still gave it to you anyway. But yeah, I think you could see it. Let me show you. This is how I have all this set up right now. But the bottom of this tripod here, can I film it so that we go? The bottom of the tripod here, see how it doesn't rotate? It's just, nah. I'm not gonna do all of that. I'll find all you a better tripod. I will find a better tripod. Yeah. To the bed. Oof. Oh my god, I feel so good. My back. I think I'm gonna eat pineapples and some watermelon. Yeah. But pineapples does kind of like kill your taste buds, so I can't eat nothing after I eat the pineapple. So I will talk to you guys later. Hasta luego.
I don't need a light to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out to choosing buddies. If you see me out in public,
there's two brands. There's this brand,
Yeah.
and then there's a white brand.
I saw a pink
This
one
brand
down
says
there.
human operated, so I think.
It really just, have you ever seen them crash anywhere?
No, not really. I've seen cars run into them sometimes, but actually.
That's crazy.
I must be a fool. Why you wanna see me so cold?
So I was in my hotel room chilling, and I told you guys I would update you if anything happened. So I heard a lot of commotion, and apparently they...
Ole, please don't kill me. I had no more storage on my phone. I literally had to go in and delete apps just to catch this water show. I was standing by the water looking at the boats. All of a sudden, I heard music started to play, and I'm like, oh my gosh, if I do not get this, I will be so upset. So enjoy the rest of the show of what I caught. Well, this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I will film a little bit more in my next video. I was just super tired and ran out of storage, so I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Mwah.